Good day to everyone, this is Matinikk and welcome to another episode of my unboxing demo and setup video. This is a Lumary Smart Star Wi-Fi projector. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Here we have the multi-language user's manual. It comes with a remote control, the remote uses two AAA batteries, not included. USB-C cable is included for power. If you are interested with the projector light, I will provide you the link down on the description below so you can check it out. And here we have the projector light. And we have the laser light on top. And on the side you have the on and off switch, the DC 5 volt for power. Here we have the control buttons for music, and the brightness switch, and the flash drive port, and two built-in speakers on both sides. This next chapter, I'm gonna show you how to connect via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. First, turn on the switch on the side,
Bluetooth mode,
and you hear this voice prompt. Go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone or a tablet, and then search for BTK10.
Bluetooth connection.
And once it's connected, you can be able to play music from your phone. With the included remote control, you should be able to have a full control with the lights, such as the color combinations from red, green, blue, and white, and access the brightness, the timer, and so on. Toggle the on and off switch 3 times to set into Wi-Fi mode. It uses the Smart Life and Tuya app to set it up for Wi-Fi. For this video, I'm gonna use the Tuya since I already have it installed. I'm adding the light by tapping on the top right, add light, and then select Wi-Fi light, and then just follow the on-screen setup guide. Once it's connected to the home Wi-Fi, you should be able to use the voice assistant to control the light, and the Tuya app, you can be able to control the lights as well, and control the scenes and so on. Thanks for sticking out until the end of this video. If you find this video helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please share and subscribe, and much appreciated. Let me know what you think on this projector light, so hit me a comment down on the section below. And once again, this is Matinikk signing off.